the Poco with the Fofo. I'm gonna represent you with a digital camera. Digital camera, right? That's how jazz do this. That's how jazz and slams do this. Just a $50 haircut on my head right now. Fade away 518 representing. Alright, what's up, right? Who you representing? I'm fucking representing my fucking self, fucking H-Town, the only fucking thing. Shopping your partner's van and seeing the fucking cash. Here we go. Drink in my cup and the bitch wanna bang. I asked you what for and I like to say I wanna drink. Get the money, get down. Everybody all I see is everybody know that I'm ready. CMC 8-9 and I'm looking. Everybody booking. See your cash up. Everybody see it looking. Going down to 8-9. That's my home. Now you wanna get on me, you can fucking blow it. Hey, homeboy. These ain't no $5,000 mics. I know you reckon, but you're gonna go over there and be paying for this mic. Hey, don't throw on the mic down. Please. Hey, we got a, hold on, we got an announcement, man. What is it? Somebody got a black Escalade and Bonnie G. Club with a Peter in it. Now, see a business. Wait, hey, Jay, is on this side over there somewhere? Hey, Bonnie G. Club, you love a black Escalade, and you know you got a Peter in the back, your dog pissed out, and your car about to get towed.
So this single play music.
Wait, here in business.
What single play music?
Hey, we think y'all let you music over there. Hey, give me 5, man, and let him go.
Yeah.